Hello students, how are you all? So today in this video we will do the remaining part of exercise 8.4. So previously we have done up to question number 5 and up to 5 parts. So today we are going to start its next part. So that is 6 parts. So in question number 5, 6 part we have given under root 1 plus sin a upon 1 minus sin a equal to sec a plus tan a. So we have to prove LHS equal to RHS. So in left hand side we have given under root 1 plus sin a upon 1 minus sin a. So in next step we will do its reciprocal. So it will be under root 1 plus sin a upon 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a upon 1 plus sin a. So here 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a will be under root 1 plus sin a whole square, and here we can use the identity a minus b, a plus b. So a square minus b square. So here 1 square will be 1 and minus sin square a. Now after this it will be under root 1 plus sin a whole square upon cos square a. So when we remove this under root, so it will be 1 plus sin a upon cos square a, it will become cos a. Now after this we can write them in separately. So it will be 1 upon cos a plus sin a upon cos a. So 1 upon cos a will be sec a and sin a upon cos a will be tan a. So here it will be sec a plus tan a, and we have to prove sec a plus tan a. So we can say here LHS equal to RHS. Now after this the next question. So in next question we have to prove sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equal to tan theta. So here also we will take left hand side. In left hand side we have given sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. So here we can take sin theta common. So it will be 1 minus 2 sin square theta upon, from denominator we will take cos theta common. So it will be 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now after this it is sin theta, and here we can write 1 minus, on place of sin square theta we can write 1 minus cos square theta upon cos theta in bracket 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now after this sin theta, then 1 minus this minus 2 will multiply by this full bracket. So here it will be 1 minus 2, here minus 2 into 1 will be minus 2, then minus minus become plus, and 2 into cos square theta will be 2 cos square theta. Now upon cos theta in bracket 2 cos square theta minus 1. So here sin theta, now first of all we can write here 2 cos square theta, and 1 minus 2 will be minus 1, then upon cos theta it will be 2 cos square theta minus 1. So 2 cos square theta minus 1 will be cancelled by this 2 cos square theta minus 1, and here it will be sin theta upon cos theta. So sin theta upon cos theta equal to tan theta. So we can say that tan theta equals to tan theta. So LHS equals to RHS. So in this way we can prove this question also. Now after this the next question. Now after this the next part. So in 8th part we have sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square equal to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. So in this we can take LHS. So by taking left hand side we have sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square. So here we can open this by the formula a plus b whole square. So it will be sin square a plus cosec square a plus 2 sin a cosec a, and here also cos a plus sec a whole square can be written as cos square a plus sec square a plus 2 cos a sec a. Now after this we can write this sin square a and cos square a together. So it will be sin square a plus cos square a. Here also we can write cosec square a and plus sec square a. Now after this we have 2 sin a cosec a and plus 2 cos a sec a. Now here sin square a plus cos square a will be 1, and cosec square a can be written as 1 plus cot square a. Similarly sec square a can be written as 1 plus tan square a, as we have formula. So sec square a equals to 1 plus tan square a, and cosec square a equal to 1 plus cot square a. And here 2 into sin a, here cosec can be written as 1 upon sin a, plus 2 into cos a into sec can be written as 1 upon cos a. So here we can cancel this sin a by sin a, and this cos a can be cancelled by this cos a. Now after this we can open this bracket, so it will be 1 plus 1 plus cot square a plus 1 plus tan square a plus it will be 2 into 1 will be 2, here also 2 into 1 will be 2. Now so we can write all these numbers, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2, and from here we can write tan square a, and from here we can write cot square a. Now adding all these, so it will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, and 5 plus 2 7. So it will be 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. So it will be equal to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. So we have to prove 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. So from here we can say left hand side is equal to right hand side. So in this way we can prove this question. Now after this, the next question. So in next question we have to prove cosec a minus sin a into sec a minus cos a equal to 1 upon tan a plus cot a. So first of all we can take left hand side. So taking LHS, in LHS we have cosec a minus sin a into sec a minus cos a. So here on place of cosec a we can write 1 upon sin a minus sin a can be written as sin a, or here we can write sin a upon 1, and here on place of sec a we can write 1 upon cos a, and here minus cos a, so we can write here cos a upon 1. Now taking here LCM, so LCM will be sin a, so here 1 into 1 will be 1, and sin a into sin a will be sin square a. Here also by taking LCM, LCM will be cos a, so 1 into 1 will be 1, and cos a into cos a will be cos square a. Now here 1 minus sin square a is cos square a upon sin a, then into 1 minus cos square a can be written as sin square a upon cos a. So here we can cancel one sin a, and here we can cancel one cos a. So here it will remain cos a into sin a, or cos a sin a. So we will give this equation as equation number 1. Now after this we can take right hand side. So taking right hand side, that is 1 upon tan a plus cot a. So here 1 upon, on place of tan a we can write here sin a upon cos a, plus on place of cot a we can write cos a upon sin a. Now here 1 upon, so taking LCM, LCM of cos a sin a will be cos a sin a. Now here sin a into sin a will be sin square a, and cos a into cos a will be cos square a. Now after this by doing reciprocal, so in reciprocal this cos a sin a will multiply by 1, so it will become cos a into sin a, then upon sin square a plus cos square a, then equal to here sin square a plus cos square a, that will be 1. So here cos a sin a upon sin square a plus cos square a will be 1, so it will be cos a sin a. So we can say that cos a into sin a, so it will be equation number 2. So from equation 1 and 2, by comparing equation 1 and 2 we can say that LHS will be equal to RHS. So in this way we can prove this question also. Now after this, the next question. So in next question we have to prove 1 plus tan square a upon 1 plus cot square a equal to 1 minus tan a upon 1 minus cot a whole square, it will be equal to tan square a. So here we can take this is as left hand side and this is as right hand side. So we have to prove left hand side and right hand side equal to tan square a. So first of all by taking LHS, here we have 1 plus tan square a upon 1 plus cot square a. So 1 plus tan square a will be sec square a, and 1 plus cot square a will be cosec square a. So here on place of sec square a we can write 1 upon cos square a, and upon on place of cosec square a we can write 1 upon sin square a. So here by doing reciprocal, so 1 upon cos square a into sin square a upon 1. So 1 into sin square a will be sin square a upon cos square a into 1 will be cos square a. So sin square a upon cos square a equal to tan square a. So we can put this equation as equation number 1. Now taking right hand side, so in right hand side we have 1 minus tan a upon 1 minus cot a. So here on place of this tan a we can write 1 minus sin a upon cos a upon then 1 minus on place of cot a we can write cos a upon sin a whole square. Then here by taking LCM, it will be LCM will be cos a, so cos a into 1 will be cos a minus it will be sin a upon, here also LCM will be sin a, so sin a into 1 will be sin a minus cos a, so whole square. Now after this, by doing its reciprocal, it will be cos A minus sin A upon cos A. Then this sin A here, it will come here, so sin A upon sin A minus cos A and whole square. Now after this, from this cos A minus sin A, we will take minus common. So by taking minus common, it will be sin A minus cos A, then upon cos A, and into sin A upon, here it will be sin A minus cos A and whole square. So from here, sin A minus cos A will be cancelled by this sin A minus cos A. So here it will be minus sin A upon cos A whole square. So here what will left? Minus sin A upon cos A whole square, this will be left. So minus sin A upon cos A will be minus tan A. So minus tan A whole square. So when we do square of minus tan A, so minus minus become plus, and tan A whole square become tan square A. So from this we can put here equation number 2. So from equation 1 and 2, LHS and RHS both are equal to tan square A. So from here we can say LHS equal to RHS equal to tan square A. So we have to prove LHS and RHS, it should be equal to tan square A. So in this way we can prove this question. So in this way your chapter is completed. Now it's your homework that you have to complete this exercise. So you can take your homework. You have to do exercise 8.4 along with all the solved example of this exercise also. So thank you for watching the video.